Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a VPN app that can help secure your internet connection and add an extra layer of protection while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. So open the Google Play Store on your phone and when you see the app in the results, make sure the app name and icon match correctly. Install the app on your device, then tap on Open. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Once the app opens, you will need to do a few simple settings. First, tap on the three lines in the top corner of the screen. From the menu, tap on Update Config. This allows the app to update its resources so it can work properly. After the update is complete, go to the server option. For this guide, I recommend UDP. This option works in many countries and usually provides a stable connection. If this option does not work for you, you can choose another server or select your country from the list. Finally, tap on the Start button. The app will connect, and your internet connection will be active. That's how you improve your browsing experience and add basic protection. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.